Hello traders, welcome to live stream. Hello Akash sir. Hello Akash sir. Hello Hamza. Even you are welcome on board. Now, how many of you are watching crypto live? I mean, are you looking at the crypto market right now? What is your view about crypto? Just let me know. Anyways, another 3 minutes. Hello Dheeraj sir. When free crypto price action course will be released? See, all those live stream, whatever I'm doing in that, every day I'm explaining price action concepts, right? Little fine tuning is required, little time is needed, so that, just because I have to do a course, I don't want to do it. I want to make it as crystal clear as possible, give you all the necessary data that you need to follow, what rules you need to follow, everything I have to give you, right? So still it is in the development phase. If you give some time, we will work on it. Me sir, on trade in crypto. In which side you have taken the trade? Hello Ilekya. 27 people watching the live stream. So before we start, just like the video, subscribe to the channel. Every day we come crypto live around 8 o'clock. So Balaji sir, if you're long, market is about to open. This is one of the crucial area. If market moves up, maybe this is a zone where you need to see if there is any selling pressure. I will explain what is running in my head, but before that, before that, let's let other people join. Let the US market open. Pat Collian, yeah. Pat Collian. Hello, sir. Hello, Pandian, sir. Welcome to live stream. So, Balaji, sir, just to keep you noted, this is one crucial zone. Okay. From here, if market goes up, you see this area was acting as support level broken. Now market is going for retest. This trend line or this zone can act as resistance again. From here market can correct. I'll speak about the possibilities, okay, but let everyone join. From here only, if market corrects, then it's a problem, but hopefully it will go up to this zone and correct. Now for everyone I'm audible, right? So can I share my view? 50% retracement. Okay, no problem, sir. That's not a problem. So if you're long, best thing what you can do is kind of trail your stop loss somewhere here, this candle, right? As soon as the market opens, if it moves, you try to capture the movement, immediately trail off your stop loss, okay? And then see if it continues, maybe you can hold, but immediate breakout, whatever happens, maybe you have to try to capture that. Now I'm going and looking at global market. It is saying S&P 500, Nasdaq, both around 1.1% gain is what I'm able to see. Okay, so that one can be a bit motivating for people to plan for a bullish trade, but I have different perspective about the market. So without further delay, let us start. Okay. First understanding is support level is broken. Usually when support level is broken, many people will enter. To remove weak players, market can recover a bit, later it can correct. Okay, this is possibility number one. Second thing, resistance, resistance, resistance. Sorry, I'm not keeping well. Anyways, uh, market tested this level once, second time, third time. By chance, if market goes above the selling pressure zone, okay, if market goes above the selling pressure zone, at this zone, if it faces resistance, our selling pressure zone will become buying pressure area. Okay, from here we will be looking for any, sorry, sorry, will be looking for any breakout setup towards the upside. Okay, so as long as market moves towards the upside, first goal is to look for selling pressure. But if market reaches off, if it takes out my stop loss at the upper level after moving up to this zone, then expectation is market already it is decided to target these people. If it targets these people, then quick upside move can allow the market to reach to this area. This will be the next target zone. Okay, so this upper zone, if market holds, breakout is possible. Here only, if market corrects, one bearish trade I will take, so that breakdown retest the setup, these levels will be the target towards the downside. So two setups are there, so two trades basically I'll be planning to take. Now hopefully one setup is, if market moves to this zone, the zone, if it moves up slowly, right, attracts people, any breakdown, small stop loss, I'll be looking for bearish trade. Setup number 1 is done. Setup number 2, if market moves up, holds on to this range, then I will look for trend continuation from here, market forming higher lows and higher highs. Is the view clear? Now what if without reaching the selling pressure zone, directly if market corrects off? That time this area will act as support, but market might not respect the support. Okay, next support market can immediately go up to 94,250 zone. So from here only, if the correction is happening, so with small stop loss, can I enter a bearish trade? I will not do that. Why at this zone I will not do? Because success rate is around 50%, that's it. But if it moves up from here, if it is correcting, success rate will be 75%. Same way, if market comes here, comes to the support, if people think about re-entering, huh, the chances of market respecting the support is just 20-25%. Probability of downside continuation is high if it comes to the support. So all these points based on price action, stop loss hunting, what are the levels, what are the range, according to my understanding, what I have thought, I'm discussing with you. My view can go wrong, but at what levels, what I have to do, what I'm thinking of doing, everything, first only I will tell you guys, so that it is easy for you guys to understand. Okay, my SL got it, sir. Okay, did you trail your stop loss? We had discussed about trailing here, right? So if you're taking trailing stop loss, it is fine, because I don't know what time you entered. After coming live stream only, I got to know you went long, right? So if you have entered based on this support, still maybe up to this zone, if you have exited, maybe brokerage and little profit you would have seen. Sure, sir, loud and clear. So today I opened Delta Exchange account with your crypto community. Okay. So, okay, sir, if you have opened account, complete one trade, then here number is visible, right? After completing one trade, you reach out to that number. My team will give you access to our crypto community group. Very good setups today we have got in terms of crypto, right? I can say the first setup is this one around 9:30 I had shared. So here Small SL, nice movement. This was close to 800 880 points. Second setup, this one small stop loss, look for call option trade or bullish trade, because target is big, stop loss is small. This is a sensible trade as per the strategy. That setup failed, I have told here. Next setup, I have told this is the buying pressure zone from where market can move towards the upside. So this setup has given a nice movement of 1400 points. It completely depends where you booked your profit, here, or during this correction you got fear and you exited. That depends, right? From the time we have told how is the market moving, that's all matters. I'm waiting for KYC. Okay. What is my expectation on Trump inauguration day? See, as of now, too much of expectation I don't have, because Trump is a person who's unpredictable. Today he will say something, tomorrow he will say something. That's my political opinion. So, certain things what he says makes sense. Certain things what he says might be serious impact in for India and other countries also. MRF, tell me. Can I go for a 4 hour time frame chart? Sure, I will go. On 4 hour time frame chart, what? On 4 hour time frame, market is in this zone. This is the buying pressure zone on a 4 hour time frame from where market has continuously reversed. So if in the future, if market goes below this zone, right, then bearishness can continue up to these levels. That is what I think. MRF share, tell me, what is there to say about MRF share? It's already overpriced because the number of stock around is less. At the same time, I cannot speak stock specific, right? As per SEBI rules. If I could speak about it, definitely I would have spoken. Sorry, sir. Nifty Bank Nifty, I can speak, not about. Yes, sir. I can't speak about stock specific only because of the rules. Ideally, this area is acting as support, market has reversed. Someone was saying 50% rejection, market has corrected. It has corrected from here. But for me, more confidence will be from the upper end, looking for bearish trade. From here only, if the movement is coming, then like I said, 50% chance was there for this to happen. Here means more probability. I will see now. This bearishness is continuing. Anyways, market is near the support. S&P has come somewhere around after opening cost to cost. Nasdaq 0.5%. So that's the kind of movement market is doing. Okay, I thought it formed a head and shoulder pattern. Did it form head and shoulder pattern on 4 hour time frame? I did not see. You mean to say this? This will be the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is the neckline. Length of this can be the target towards the downside, right? These levels. Sensible logic, sir. No doubt. You okay, sir? It's a sensible logic. No doubt. Now here continuation towards the downside it is happening. But we will see, traders. Any setup, if we get an entry, we will take. Because I have spoken about certain zones here. If market goes off below this zone, then possibility of continuation is there. And here, this is one zone from where market can correct. But after this fall, maybe another 30-40% correction, and then it can move towards the downside. Because here, if it continues, little sideways market can go, right? That also I have to take into consideration. No, look, sir, whatever you said is a sensible logic only. So wait for some kind of confirmation. On a 4 minute, 4 hour time frame chart setup, 3 minutes, if we take an entry, then many levels, right? So maybe at this breakdown you will enter. But on a 4 hour time frame, if you see, what is the yeah, 4 hour? So here if you enter, there's a consolidation range. Here there is a support. So here only if markets holds on, or if it reverses up to here, right, then you will end up in problem. Any news related to crypto US market which I'm not aware of, you guys know? Let me know, traders. Little near the selling pressure zone, if it had come, definitely maybe I would have considered. I've got cold, so in case I cough or something like that, excuse me, okay? Dheeraj sir. Micro strategy buyers another 5,268 bitcoins for. Micro strategy buys another 5,262 bitcoins. Okay. Sorry, time frame is in 5 minutes. Thanks for highlighting. Now this is completely a demand zone, but since 1, 2, demand zone one time failure, second time failure, third time demand respected, fourth time market is coming, possibility is there for downside continuation, but we will wait for some time. No hurry to take any trades. Usually I take off the trade already. If market definitely, if it had come here already, I would have taken the trade. Karthik sir, if you ask question mark, did you ask me something? Seller zone and buyer zone should have more consolidation, or we have to consider peak point of candles. Peak point of candles we can consider. Let's say market is moving towards the upside. If it holds on to the selling pressure zone, then upside movement possibility is high. Okay. But if it holds on, breaks off this level, immediately bearish candle, if market is forming, then potential of downside movement is high. Am I clear, Karthik sir, for you? Just give me a second, I'll be back. Now, Yokesh sir, you said that on a 4 hour time frame bearish head and shoulder pattern, right? Okay. So why on a 4 hour time frame setup on 3 minutes I'm not right now considering is, now from here only market can correct. I'm not objecting to that. Okay. But what I'm trying to, I'll try to explain a logic. You see if it's making sense for you. Now let's say market has corrected so much. Okay. Now you have entered on a shorter time frame. Okay. Now if you enter each candle on a 3 minutes time frame, how much is it? 250 points, or maximum for this range on a 4 hour time frame if you consider. Okay. This point you see, this area, I'll switch to 4 hour time frame. Now this is the highest point, right? So you have entered at this breakdown on a 4-hour time frame. Can you keep your stop loss little higher here or here? No, right? Your stop loss has to be little higher. So 2500 points, or let's say you switch to 1-hour time frame. So from this entry point, let's say here only you entered, or let's say on top of this candle, 1100 points. Each candle you just see on a 1-hour time frame, 1500 2000 points. Can you keep that as a stop loss for your trade? Is it feasible for you? Maybe one trade you take it, it will be profitable. On a 4-hour time frame, you saw the breakdown, you took the trade, okay. It might work out for you. Second trade works out. What about the third, fourth, fifth, sixth trade? Every time are you ready to take 1500 to 2000 points risk? That is a question you need to ask yourself. Okay. So based on that only you can decide, can I enter based on the 4-hour time frame movement? Say ideally this zone was acting as buying pressure zone. Like I said, if market is breaking this level, it will not respect the support also. More continuation is possible, but a retracement, like let's say at least from this fall, I can say somewhere around 500 550 points retracement. So if that retracement if I get at the upper level, if I plan right, then when the trend continues, my stop, I will get the better entry. If market comes to this zone and little more continuation also, I would have captured the 1000 points. Hopefully it is making sense for you. Now everybody is seeing the support zone. Market is coming to the support zone. Let it come. Here expectation is okay, little it can correct. See, market is looking at this move. Market is not forcing me to take a trade. If I only have that fear of missing out opportunity, I want to trade, I want to capture this moment, like that mindset if I set, only then I have to enter. So my money, should I risk here, I should not risk here, that I have to decide. But once I enter the trade, apart from stop loss, nothing else is there in my control, right? So until then, only until then I have the upper hand. So I will wait for my upper hand. Based on that, I'm getting any reversal setup, something like that I will consider. I've entered short trade when this trend line broke. Will hold it. Will the low break, because moment is with sellers seeing candle size. Moment can be with sellers, continuous selling pressure you are able to see here. Okay. Now you have entered on what time frame? 3 minutes time frame. Okay. At this breakdown, if you have entered, where have you placed your stop loss? Now expectation is you have entered bearish trade. Here buyers are there. Now market might have to attract some buyers. So to attract buyers, a pullback is needed. To create some buyers liquidity, pullback is needed. This pullback can be close to 450, 500 to 650 points. So depending on where you entered, at this breakdown if you have entered, you are in the safe zone. If you have entered here at this breakdown, if market reverses around 450, 650 points, what you will do is the question. If it goes as per your view, good. But now buyer's attraction is something is required, right? I'm saying this one purely based on price action. Okay. It is not necessary that from here only market will fall or not. This probability based on price action is low, where it has to correct and then move. Okay. So that is my only concern, where you have kept your stop loss. No, I entered at 95,900 zone. 95,000. Okay. You entered here somewhere at this zone you entered. If you are holding, then fine. At this zone. This zone, if you have entered, no problem. So little correction is something what I'm expecting. After correction, if I'm getting any confirmation, I will plan the trade. Okay. What is your view, traders? What do you think? Yes, got 2k points. Okay, very good. Nice movement, close to 1600 points. So at least 30% correction is what I'm thinking about, around 600, 700 points. Because this is double bottom zone, market moved up. This can again be the zone where buyers might enter. Later, in a bearish setup, I'm thinking of entering. Because here, if I enter already higher price, I'm giving an entry. That doesn't make sense. I cannot place proper stop loss for this trade. So we will see, traders. What do you think? What is your view? I've told after a retracement, downside movement can continue. That's my point of view. What do you think? From here only will the movement start, or is this a false breakdown from where market can reverse without giving any entry for anyone? Like that you are expecting the move? Just let me know your view. Sir, expecting retest at this range and fall down at 92,750. 90. Okay. Retest, okay, fine. You mean to say you're saying 92,000, right? 92. You're saying it will go up to this zone after retest. Just give me a second. Okay. So now on a 3 minutes time frame, if I had entered the trade here, this one candle around is around 300 350 points. I should have placed the stop loss here. From here, expectation is around 400 to 600 points. Market can reverse easily. I would have given my stop loss. So keeping that risk in mind only, I'm not looking for any immediate entry on the bearish side. This is a support. Everyone is looking at this support. I asked if there is any negative news or crypto related news in the market or US market related news, only because I want to know in case news based movement means it might not respect price action. That's the problem. Okay. Market is bearish in 4 hour time frame. Uh, Saw same zone retested multiple times, so took the trade at the top when the trend line broke. So took trade. Okay. Looking very bearish. Okay. Will it be sideways? Will it be sideways? See, bearish to sideways market can be. But since we are trading in the future market, okay. At least if our entry is fine, it is okay. 94,250 and further fall. Mm. This 94,250 260 range I'm saying, no, that can be an ideal place. If it corrects little more, that is the problem, but we will see. 15 minutes time frame, M pattern has achieved its first target. 15 minutes time frame, you're speaking about the M pattern. It has achieved the target. If it reverses, let it reverse. Later continuation, we will see. Bearish trade. Okay. See now, since I don't know, Balaji sir entered somewhere on top, right at the upper zone, so he is kind of safe. No problem for him. But we are live, and during this live here, if I enter, definitely probability of stop loss hitting is high, so avoided taking the trade here, waiting for any multiple confirmation, something like that, to plan our trade. You can draw one more trend line like this. Basically 2 setups I will take. Already 30 minutes done, still I'm not getting the first setup. Sir, your video is running 3 minute 3 minder. I'm not understanding. Around 62 people watching the live stream. Those of you making use of the updates, whatever I share in the group, share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. And those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're not yet joined a crypto community group, you can do that for absolutely free of cost by opening account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. Okay, you can please check that out. You get access to our strategies and also regular updates, regular setups related to BTC I keep sharing here. So this is one setup I shared today. So this setup gave a movement of close to 1400 points. Depends on how you captured. Second setup, this small stop loss, it got hit. One more setup, market correction. Early morning setup I had shared around 10 o'clock. That setup has given a profit of close to 880 points. So like this setups regularly I keep sharing. So it depends on if you're making use of it. If you feel these contents will be valuable, anyways we are providing it for absolutely free of cost. You want to enroll, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange, complete your first trade and reach out to this number. Team will guide you and they'll give you the access to the group. Okay. Three lakh capital, 90K, sell from top. Okay. Please ignore my above message. Please draw Pips, Pipsir. It's kind of rejecting from 236 level. If it goes up to this zone and shows any correction, it would be little more better for me. Entered long at the bottom, captured 500 points and exited. Okay. Why not considering bearish trade now? I'm not considering bearish trade because I'm not getting the proper risk reward for my trade. Now, traders, if you have any friends who's interested in crypto market, also you can share the channel details with them, right? So if they're interested, they can join us along with you in the live stream. See, just one click of a button, I can go and I can place the order. But for me, it is not giving the confidence, no. I'm not going to sit and keep worrying about it in case the opportunity misses. Better opportunities, many will be there. Only thing is, we should have a bit of conviction. After conviction, if I enter, if I give the stop loss, also, I don't care. Random entries is what, looking at with the fear of missing out opportunity. If I have to enter, that is my worst fear. I think this is the first time I've come live, and still after 37 to 40 minutes of live stream, I've not taken the trade. I think this is the first time in the last 1.5 months, 2 months, me coming live. Your voice is very low, sir. Is it? What about others? Is my voice very low? Am I not audible? Yes, this is my first trade. Voice good only. Okay. See, like I said, more consolidation within the zone. This is one zone. I did not enter here. Okay. Good, I did not enter. Market is correcting here. So here, maybe I could have tried one entry, but hopefully, I'm just thinking about correction up to this zone and from here bearishness, something like that I'm trying to relate, right? So that is one thing I'm thinking about. Maybe during the live, if I don't get what to do, I just don't want to jump into the trade just like that, traders. Bearish flag may form. Okay. Here, more consolidation, breakdown, possibility is there. I am looking for going short, not long. Logic why I'm thinking of going short is because first is market has removed all the weak players, right? Weak players who have entered at this zone during this breakdown. High, low, lower high, lower low. Now this lower low where it is formed is very interesting. It is near previous support. If previous support is where many people are thinking of re-entering with an expectation that market will reverse, my point of view is after this continuous move, market can attract little buyers or it can stay sideways. But quickly when the breakdown happens, all these people will be trapped and continuation towards the downside is possible. Sorry traders. You can check that in 15 minutes time frame. The strategy is working a little bit more accurately. Please do check. Okay. Traders, are you hearing any background noise? Is any background noise disturbing you? Just tell me. Now, just holding on to this range. People are thinking of buying here. Market corrected. Now, if it breaks without giving me opportunity, will it go? That is what I'm thinking. Not getting the confidence, traders. What to do? What to do? It is not about how much we are entering, profit or loss. It doesn't matter about profit or loss. It is mainly about the mindset. What mindset is saying? Mindset, as per the understanding, it is saying that these people who are at the bottom, they can be trapped. But to be on a safer side, little correction and then fall, this would be a great place for me to enter the trade. Let's say it moved towards the upside, gave a breakout here. Expectation is this breakout will fail. From here, it can correct. Now it is just 50% chance of making the move. Who entered at the upper level, all those things, for them, nothing to worry. They can just hold on to the trade, leave it as it is. They want to book the profit, they can do that. They have many choices. Now, since we are still planning our entry, we will have very less choices with us. That's the problem. So, no big movement, just holding on to this range. And from here, if I enter close to 700, 800 points is the risk. Not sensible. Now, I know some of you might say, sir, this bearishness is there, you should have entered here, all this thing. Mindset is not there, traders. Mindset is not there. This is what I am thinking. I can be wrong. See, everyone can be wrong. Some people can be right all the time. I am not that person. Definitely, I'll be wrong. Around 43 minutes done already. Still not getting the confidence. Now, when market came to this zone, I said I'm not interested in bearish trade. Need to wait up to this level at least. Market from this zone only it is correcting. If it had come to this zone already, entry I would have placed. I would have taken the trade. Now more the market is spending time here, both the side movement is possible. If it completes the upside move and then continues, then it is better for me. It is showing some bearishness here. It's gone below this zone. Now, how many of you are thinking right now that, okay, we should enter a bearish trade? How many of you are thinking? Let me know. We'll see how many of you are thinking that immediately now we should look for bearish trade. Usually wait for you 15 minutes before time and learn till you leave. Glad you are helping. Okay. Thanks for the feedback. So, Sati is thinking that, okay, I should not enter, I should enter a bearish trade. Trade science is saying we should, this can be a trapping zone. Ibinesh is saying this may be a trapping. Okay. We should have entered at 94,250. 94,250, this zone. Somewhere here you're saying, or you're, sorry, you're saying 94,250 at this zone. Okay. Let's see if I had entered here, what what do you think will be my risk and reward? I would have entered here as per you say. Stop loss you think around 250 points I will give. What will be my target? You think this is the target already we achieved, we exited the trade? Is that the way you are saying? Or you would have placed stop loss here and then you would have tried to capture bigger move? What would have been your exact plan, sir? Tell me. Where you would have placed your stop loss, where you would have placed your target. Based on that we will see. I wanted to open a bearish trade at the 50% row but held on. Now it is showing bearish movement still. Yeah. See here at this zone, that was market opening time, right? So that time expectation was at least if it goes to selling pressure zone, from here we will be looking for bearish trade. But here only moment came. That's okay. Brokerage for me is around $10 for 100 notes, 25x leverage getting as charged. Can your team check this? GST and all those things. I will check, sir. I will check and let you know. Ideally, it should be including everything. I think this is the first time live stream. Close to 15 minutes, not even one trade. My stop loss will be 94,700. Okay. So 94,700. So this is just based on what sir is saying. Where you would have entered, you said 94,250, right? 94,250. This is the range. 94,700. Okay. This is your stop loss. And what is your target? At least you will keep 1 is to, now this is not 1 is to 2. What will be your target, sir? Target 92,800. Okay. 92,000. I'll just keep it here. Okay. So this is your target. Keep this in your mind, sir. We will see what happens. See, this is exactly what Lakshman sir is saying. You would have entered the trade here. You would have placed a stop. You would have entered the trade here. You would have placed a stop loss here. And this will be his target. Okay. This is not my setup. Ideally, now I'm not planning to take any entry. How to overcome fear after taking the trade? The only way is take stop loss. Take stop loss as per your risk capacity. That would suffice. Now rest of them will think this is my setup. This is not my setup. If the setups become profitable, all credit goes to Lakshman sir because that was his setup. Okay. Sir, I think market will move up at least 94,500. Can I plan for buy? Mm, Right now, it is just holding on to this range, no traders. Both the side movement is possible. Simply randomly, let's not take any buy position. I'm just trying to have a neutral view about the about the market. If it is moving towards the upside 500, 600 range, here if I get any breakout, any correction, when that movement happens, I'm thinking of taking bearish trade. That's it. Now I'm not getting confidence. Now based on Lakshman sir's view from here, if I had entered place stop loss here, if I have entered, nice profit already I would have made. But this is the target, right? Usually we wait for the target. Our strategy, will it work here, sir? You're asking. I've not looked at the strategy. Just give me a second. Our strategy is not given us any entry as of now, right? Strategy is just saying wait for retracement. Shall we go short with small stop loss? Okay, you can try traders if you want. I'm not going to plan. See, as long as I am convinced that I have to take the trade, I will not take. So I'm not getting the conviction. If market nicely moves towards the downside, okay, I miss the opportunity. That's it. If I get the conviction, even if it hits my stop loss, I'm okay with it. I'm not having the conviction because more buyers are getting attracted here. I understand that buyers are getting attracted. Market is consolidating within this range. That means both side movement is possible. But the way how market is behaving, I'm not sure. It is all about probability, right? According to my mindset, if I enter now, I think probability will be less. I feel that way. I can be wrong. I will accept my mistake, but this is what I'm having as a feeling. Our traders close to 54, 55 minutes done. Market is just holding on to this range. Here, this candle is showing some, you know, buying pressure. These two candles are showing selling pressure. Someone said, if I want to enter bearish trade, where can I place stop loss? Small stop loss can be placed here. But at this point of time, I personally will not trade. Today, Nifty trade was too good. Thank you, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Ebenezer, you asked, right? Our strategy, will it work here? Our strategy is not yet formed, right? Bro, I am wrong, but I will hold some good amount of time here doing up down. Bro, I may wrong, but it will hold some good amount of time here doing up down. So what do you mean? You mean to say, okay, this is the range where market can just consolidate for some more time? Yes, sir. Retest asking up to blue line. Up to blue line and all, if it goes, maybe, yeah, we can think about it. See, if it moves up, I'm just saying probability. If it moves up, just in case, gives a breakout, here any reversal setup, of course, I will try. In that setup, little more confidence I will have. Even if I risk the amount, I'm not worried. If market had attracted some buyers towards the upside, right, from there, if it had corrected, even if this breakdown would have happened, I would have planned my trade. Market has corrected a bit, came here, it has given a breakdown, inviting a lot of people. Breakdown is going to happen, come, right? That's how I'm seeing this. Market has given a breakdown, it is inviting people, come take bearish trade. When market only is inviting me to come take bearish trade, why should I take? I want to do opposite. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're not like the video, please do that. Mention your name in the comment section, in the chat comment. I will announce your name. Okay. Hamza, thank you so much for liking the video. Ibinesh, thank you so much. Close to 1 hour live stream. I mentioned here, right? I'm saying this is not my trade only because I don't want to take any credit if market moves towards the downside. I don't want anyone to think I gave the setup. Ready, sir? Thank you so much. Balaji, sir, thank you, sir. Rajesh, sir, are you part of our crypto community group? Now, this is a nice moment, right? This movement is close to how much? Around, so from here it is around close to 1000 points. This is a nice movement actually. Sir, Delta India May withdrawal was very delayed. Today morning I placed 50k withdrawal at 10 a.m. Till now the amount is not received. Usually, usually they take 24 hours, traders. Sometimes, midnight I will place the withdrawal. Quickly I will get it off. Sometimes within 2 hours also. But to be on a safer side, they keep saying that, at least we need to wait for 24 hours. By then, it usually comes. Close to 1 hour live stream done, traders. Still no conviction. Usually in Nifty, Bank Nifty, we have to keep waiting for conviction. But today, crypto has made me wait for conviction. Now, looking at this breakdown, a lot of people are already invited, right? Looking at the support, retracement, a lot of sellers would have already been invited. So that is my main problem at the current market condition to take a bearish trade, even though I see this bearish candle. See, I'm just explaining to you guys how I look at the market, how I, uh, you know, plan my entry, how I analyze the psychology of the market. That's it. In some point, if it is useful for you, make use of it. At least one or two people, if you are making use of it, good. So not necessary everything will work exactly what we say, but probability. I will always go based on probability. If my probability is 60 to 70%, I'll just stick to it. Okay, that's what I would prefer doing. Sir, followed your last 2 years, learned 60 days price action candlesticks chart pattern courses. Okay, great. Now traders still, until the market has opened, I have not even taken one trade, right? uh, what to do. Now what I feel right now is, I can be wrong, market is continuously falling, this can be a trap. I feel for this, maybe small stop loss here or here I will place. I'll plan my entry, maybe a small movement up to this zone. If I can capture also, it is fine, is what I'm thinking, because I don't want to close the trade without taking it. I'll place this order. Okay, so here a little below, after I place my stop loss, if my stop loss hits things like that, then nothing can be done. Little below. Now why have I taken this trade? Very simple. Continuously this was acting as support. This support is broken. Market has attracted more sellers in here. It is coming down without, nicely it is taking time and coming down. So by chance from here, if I see a small movement also, anyways I did not take any trade, my risk per day trade is still pending. So this trade I will take for this small stop loss, any reversal. If I can, I will capture this. If not, I will leave. It seems it is following a deceleration channel. An upward move is possible later, perhaps. Okay. Later upside move comes means my stop loss will be hit. Okay. Sir, charges are less in which broker for crypto trading? As of now, Delta Exchange is the only thing which I have used because it was suggested to me by my friends who's regularly trading in the market, in crypto market. So based on their suggestion, I took Delta Exchange. It has worked nicely for me. So I'm not having any issues with the brokerage, leverage, everything I'm okay with. So even the interface, whatever they are given for me, I'm comfortable with. As long as I have not tried anything else, I cannot comment about others also, right? Maybe they are also providing better service, I don't know. Moved the SL to 93,800. You moved the SL to 93,800. I am not. So you mean you are trailing your stop loss to 93,800? That's what you're saying, sir? Previously it was 92,800. Now it is 93,800. So you are planning to trail SL. Okay. So you want me to trail this? Okay, this place up to this zone. Okay. 93,800. This cost to cost zone, let's say that's your trailing stop loss. You cannot do that, sir. Cannot drag below. Haha, I just saw that. 1 hour, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, close by, done. I've just taken a small trade because I did not want to close the live stream without any this one. But just because I don't want to close the live stream with that $10, I did not take. I wanted to place one entry with small this one. The logic is very simple. Support, support. Okay. Previously also that zone is acting as support. Now market has what it has done. It has broken that support. Did the fall come very quickly? No. Did the market attract some people at the upper level and fall? No. Only what it did, it just corrected. Slowly it is inviting people, giving breakdown, attracting people. Like this, if it is happening, then I might feel okay. I'm live now. One small stop loss I will give in case market is just attracting sellers. One quick move if it wants to do towards the upside. If that is the market's plan, then I will try to capture that moment and exit. Or else stop loss is small, I'll give that an exit. Basically, what we have to do, we have to go as per the trend. But as per the trend, my expectation is it will go up to this zone and correct. By then, live stream will be done. So I cannot go as per the trend. So I will go opposite to the trend. My view is clear for you guys. I'll move off your SL here, sir. Okay. If this trade goes profitable, I mean this risk reward calculator what I have put, I don't want to this one. So what we will do for what we can do, because I don't want other people to get confused. I'm taking bullish trade here. Market is moving towards the downside. So we will say this is the target zone for you. Okay, just keep it in mind. This is your target zone. This is your stop loss trailing zone. This white line and this line. This also I will highlight and keep. So basically this is your SL, this is your target. For me, my entry exit target, what I have planned, that I will put entry, SL, maybe target. 1 is to 2 is decent. I'll do that. Now I don't know how much long for this trade I have to wait. Anyways. Now, anyone who's watching the live stream, you have not yet liked the video, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Every day I come live stream around 8 o'clock. So you can join us. We have wonderful people here who's really interested in crypto trading. 40-50 people, that's it. But we are trying to grow this community, right? So not only this, apart from this live stream regularly in our crypto community group, I keep sharing setups. I share free strategies for all our community members. So who's interested, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. The link is there in the description box below. Once you do that, reach out to my team on this number. They will give you access to the community group. Okay. So that's about our crypto community group. No, after liking the video, just mention your names, sir. I will announce. Mention your name in the chat section. I will announce your name. See, this is a small risk-free trade. I will consider this as a risk-free trade only, right? So I've taken this trade. We will see. If my understanding is right, then market can move up to this zone, give a false breakout and correct. If Lakshman sir is right, from here market will retest and it will correct and it will achieve his target. Around 1 hour 15 minutes done. Still no sign of any momentum towards the upside or downside. Of course, I will agree. First opportunity was missed, right? The downside moment was missed because no conviction. No conviction means why should I take? At least if my trading setup is over, at least I can give you some kind of update related to what can be the next plan or things like that. But during the live market, 1 hour 15 minutes 20 minutes done. Here only if it is just playing games, no new updates I can give. All I can do is maybe later in the crypto community group I will share the setup. That's it. Any next interesting setup I see, I will share it there. Okay. Little pressure I'm able to see in this particular candle on the seller's side. Hopefully it doesn't give a continuation candle. Without giving continuation, if it just breaks this high, then setup will be a nice one. Crypto comes under forex? No, sir. Actually, trading forex is banned in India, right? So we cannot do that. Crypto is allowed. Delta Exchange is FIO registered, so that is also there. So all these benefits we have. That is why I have decided to trade in BTC, right? That too, I'm not investing, I'm just trading in BTC. I think there's something called MCX or something. In that you can trade in gold. So you can check it out. See, usually I don't trade in gold. I only go ahead look for market condition. If economy is favorable towards gold, then I go and I purchase gold piece. Okay, that's how I uh, that's how I plan my you know things in gold. In gold and all, I don't go and do intraday trading. For me, Nifty Bank Nifty is more than sufficient. Anyways, in BTC, I'm getting nice leverage. Anyways, it's a future market, so it is additional bonus for me. So this is okay for me. Gold, no. Setup has got a bit boring. It's not hitting the stop loss, not hitting the target near the cost to cost, just lying there. What else doubt you have, traders? You can ask me in the comment section. Maybe another 10 minutes I will wait and see. If it hits my stop loss, target, whatever it is, I'll wait for another 10 minutes. Sir, when would be the best time for trading in BTC during daytime? During daytime, I have seen around 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock is a nice time. I say this because majority of the setups I look at in the market during that time itself. That is one. Second thing is the strategy what I have shared here, right, in the crypto community group from morning 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. If it is giving us a setup, right, let's say that setup during that time, probability of it working is comparatively very high. That's why I prefer that time. Tell me about learning. What learning, sir? What you would like to learn? Market is just holding on, traders. What to do? Breakdown, giving more opportunities for sellers to enter. Will it give one breakdown and then move after hitting my stop loss? Or this might be just an attraction to get in more put option traders or bearish traders, and from here only it will reverse up to these zones. It's just become a sideways thing. What to do? अब से कैसे सीख सकते हैं? You can follow our YouTube channel. You can, if you're interested, you can take our courses on YouTube. Only many free videos I have posted. You can check that out. You can join our free Telegram channel. Regularly, I keep sharing updates there. So all these avenues you have, you can decide which is suitable for you. You can try. Now this is showing continuation. It's formed a double bottom here. From here, will it reverse or hit my stop loss? Left to the market. Sir, okay. I think almost all the doubts, queries I've answered close to 1 hour, 1 hour, 20 minutes live stream done. So, shall we close or shall we wait for another 10 minutes? You tell me in the comment section. I'll do accordingly. You know what is my entry, what is my stop loss, what I've decided as target, everything you know. You want me to still hold on to this trade? Sorry, do you want me to still continue this live stream? Almost 1 hour, 20 minutes done. If you tell me to wait for another 10 minutes, I will do that. Thanks, sir. Also, you want to stock options trading. What would you advise for stock option? Which are the 2 3 stocks that you can consider for stock options? Stock options was very long time where when I required margin, stock options was good for me. But you say every day looking, usually you can just look into those stocks which market capitalization is high. For example, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industry. Based on that, if you're getting good trading opportunity, you can consider, because there you will have enough liquidity that you want. So that's how it is. My stop loss hit, it was smaller. Okay. For me, still just cost to cost. All we have to do is wait and see if this is a W pattern or what it is. Or is it just attracting buyers and then hitting my stop loss? You see, once you take the trade, you place your stop loss, you decided this is your target, then market becomes boring. Interesting thing is when you look at the market, you observe, you come up with a logic, taking that trade. That's the fun part. Many people keep saying algo trading and things like that. Where is the fun part in algo trading? That's why I don't look at algos itself. Any other charting software you are using? No, only Delta Exchange for crypto trading. Just holding on near the range, not hitting stop loss. What to do, traders? It's got boring now. Because the interesting part about thinking about the setup, doing all those things is done. Now just sitting in the market, it's kind of boring for me. With setting the stop loss, let it hit, I will take that and go. I opened Delta account with your referral and traded today, sir. How can I join your Telegram group? See, after you complete your first trade, reach out to this number, traders. Give them 24 hours time. Immediately after this live stream, you please message them. Okay, same this number what is displaying on the screen. They will give you access. By tomorrow you come to the live stream, by then I'm sure you will have the access. If not, you let me know. Same day I will ensure that you get the access. What candles are telling now? Candles are still saying at, see, if I just have to look at the market based on price action, right? I will say, okay, this is the trend supporting zone. Market has broken retest. It has broken this. Okay, we will place a sell trade. Like that, we can think about it. But now these moments, what I'm seeing right now, I am still feeling that it can attract some slow movement. What is happening in the market right now, I feel this is just an attraction for put option traders. One upside move is pending. That upside move, I don't know, after hitting my stop loss, will it go, or will it reach sir's target? What is sir's target? This target, maybe it will give him the target. From here, will it go? That I'm not able to get that clarity, how much attraction market can do. Since I was almost close to 1 hour, 58-59 minutes, this looked like a right place for me to take the trades. Small stop loss here, 1:2 risk reward. This looked sensible for me. I took the trade. Now it's coming near my stop loss. If it takes my stop loss, fine. Now, some of you might feel bad also, I understand, thinking that, sir, here we got a good move, we should have planned our trade somewhere here. Like this, if you have thought, no doubt, no problem in having that kind of thought. But for me, whatever felt logical, that is what I said. Here also, whatever feels logical, still, I keep thinking that there is one upside move pending. That is why I've taken this trade also. I'm ready to give that loss. That upside move, I don't know. From this zone, it will come. After hitting my stop loss, will it move towards the upside, or from here it will move towards the upside? I don't know. So that is one of the reason I'm just letting the market decide what it wants to do. Okay, it took my stop loss now. So basically, what is my view right now? My view is simple. The way how market is correcting slowly, it is not looking great for me. This breakdown is there, nice movement is done, okay, but from here potential of reversal from this zone or little below it can go. The next supporting zone, the supporting zone is too far. So if supporting zone is too far, I don't expect market to go until the supporting zone. Okay, that's my understanding. Market is forming lower highs, lower lows, giving more opportunities for put option traders to enter. From here, potential market reversal is there. Maybe after hitting Lakshman Sura, his target, and then moving towards the upside possibility is there. But before reaching this level, upside move still pending. So I will not be taking any bearish trade. Any further update, whatever it is there related to strategy, whatever things it is there in this group, I will update. So members can have a look at this, so that you will get better idea. Now those of you who wants to join this group, you can open account with Delta Exchange. Link is there in the description box below. You can check it out, and then you can reach out to my team on this number. They will help you out. Okay, see, immediately after this stop loss level, market is showing some correction. I don't know from here it will move or from this zone. These two zones, just be careful. If you have taken bearish trade, you want to trail your stop loss, please trail and go, so that in case if it reverses so much, you have entered at this breakdown or this breakdown, you will end up in bigger trap, right? So rather, at least if you are entered based on where you have entered, keep it to cost, or stop loss you place it towards the upside, so that at least on a close to close basis you are not made any big loss. Okay, my stop loss is taken. I don't know if market came down just to take my stop loss. That's okay, no problem. Like I said, So a potential up move is pending. We will see about it. Have explained the logic why market momentum towards the downside is a bit slow. So thanks everyone for participating. Any further update, I'll let you know in the group. Okay. Have a good night. Thank you so much. Bye bye. More trailing stop loss to 93,450. Where is your trailing stop loss? You moved it here. Where is it? 93,450, right? This was your stop loss. You got it here. Okay, sir. We will. Here you have trailed your stop loss somewhere. Sorry, here. Correct. Little above this. This is your target. Good. Anyways, thank you everyone for participating. I still expect an upside move. Hopefully it comes or not. Just letting you know there's a trap. Maybe please be careful. Okay, thanks everyone for participating. Have a good night.